Hey guys, MotorCarNut, and today we're going to be replacing a rear bumper on a 2009 to 2013 Subaru Forester. I guess higher models will be similar, but you know, the shape of the bumper is different, but I'm sure how they connect is pretty much similar. So if you have one even higher, it'll probably pertain to you too. Okay, I just picked up one in the salvage yard. This one is really damaged, bad. Over here, it's all bent. And I got one, you know, not so bad at a salvage yard, the same color too. So it's just easier to replace. Well, wasn't going to do body work on plastic anyway. But it's not that hard to take this out. You don't have to take the rear tail lights out. I did that for another video, but you don't have to take them out to take the bumper out. Okay? So, and this one has a trailer hitch. Really doesn't matter. But if you're going to install one that has a trailer hitch and the new one doesn't, you're going to have to cut out for the trailer hitch. But, you know, that's about it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to lift the car up a little bit so I can show you there's a couple of nut bolts and fasteners all the way around. Okay, and here you're going to have, up here, you're going to have a 10 millimeter and a 10 millimeter screw. You take those two screws out up here, and everything else is basically going to peel back. Let me show you what it looks like on the bumper when you take it out over here. You see how it like clips on over here and all down here? All right, so I'll show you how to do that. So I'm just going to lift the car up a little bit. It doesn't have to be on a lift if you don't have a lift, obviously, but it's easier to show you. And we're going to take that from there. And you're going to have fasteners over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit them with a hammer and push the center pin all the way in on all of them, and it releases them. Over here, you're going to have another 10 millimeter on the mud flap and two clips, fasteners. Let me see how many there is. Yeah, there's one here and one here. And take the two mud flaps off on both sides. All right, and then we're gonna, let me take those mud flaps off, and then I'm gonna lift it up a little bit better to show you the other fasteners. Okay, where the mud flap was, it covers one of the fasteners. You gotta take that one out. There was supposed to be one there and one there. You see one here. And another one right here. Okay, I'm gonna take those out, and then we'll continue. And then you be careful, you just pry it out. There's going to be little clips here. You just want to release it like that. You see how they are? They go in their little fasteners right there. Okay, up here too. You just clip it out and do the same thing on the other side, and the bumper should come right off. And also in the middle over here too. You see the little tabs here? They go in these tabs over here. So you just push it out a little bit. And over here, you just lift up on these tabs. All right. You just lift up with a screwdriver and it'll come right off. And basically that's it. And you just reverse the removal and install it. I'm not going to install the old, here's the old one. I'm not going to put the new one back because this car took a shot over here. And the rear tail light doesn't really fit properly. So that's probably another video. Got to push it out a little bit, make it line up. Anyway, so that's how you remove the rear bumper. Okay, any questions, comments, leave them below. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I really appreciate all the comments and how my channel's going. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And thank you very much all for watching.